So this is our data, and these are our predictors. These two are our target. Suppose we want correlation analysis. Right. So how do we do correlation? Okay, when you have a bunch of variables that you want to do a correlation analysis of in Excel, then you would do data analysis, right? And then you select correlation. Right. So now you specify the input range for the correlation. Right. So go to data, start from where? Okay, the first row in the data set has the variable labels. So we're going to go up to medv. Okay, we will not include cat medv. And all right, so we have 506 observations, and we have label in the first row, and our output, okay, let's put it from here. Okay? Yes?
When you were selecting the input range,
Uh-huh.
how did you, you just selected the top?
Right, yeah. See, click on the top and then press the shift key. Keep it depressed, don't let it go. Go down there, okay? And then press the end key and the down arrow key. Don't let go of the shift. End.
Sure.
Did you get it? Okay, good. All right. Okay, so now click OK. Now we have the correlation matrix. Okay, so let's let's change the, all right, okay. So now we want to do conditional formatting to highlight the, to make a heat map out of this, right? So this is the value range, right? And then we do conditional formatting. Okay. And so new rule, and use formula to determine which cells to format. Okay. So now we can say format, okay, so that cell. Now the format that you're going to apply will apply only to B4, even though you have highlighted the entire table. That's because we have $B$4. Okay, so we need to get rid of that. Okay. Now we need the absolute value because we want to look at okay, either plus value or minus value for correlation. So if it is, say, less than, I'm going to just type in the numbers. If you want, we can set up values in a separate cell and use that, so we can then change the values in the cells to see how it affects. So absolute value of cell B4, which will now be applied to all the cells, okay, and say we want the fill color to be white like that. All right, okay, that's good, except that Now all of these blank cells are getting the same color, so we don't want that, right? So go back and highlight conditional formatting, and now this time select manage rules. Okay. Now let's add a new rule. Is blank B2? If it is blank, then no format. Okay, and then the reason why it didn't work is because I have to start with an equal sign. I didn't, and therefore Excel inserted quotation marks, and there you go. All right. These are not blanks. Okay, there's something there. All right, so that's one. All right, so now the next step. So manage rules. So if it is blank, then nothing, stop. If it is less than 0.2 absolute value, then light blue and then stop. And then another new rule. Now this time again AB, start with an equal sign, B2 less than 0.4, and let's see, slightly more intense color, right? Let's apply, and this we have to move down, right? So click that, move it down. Okay, so down. All right, so now we have 0.2 and 0.4 done, and then one more. See, equal to ABS B2 less than 0.6. Okay, now move that down again. Okay, apply. All right. So now you get the picture. Equal to ABS B2 less than 0.8. Okay, so now this is too bright a color, which may make the numbers not appear clearly. So let's change the font color to white. Okay, again move it down, apply. All right, so finally one more rule. ABS B2 less than 1. Again, we make that font color white and fill color. Now I need to move it down. Okay. Now some of them are not, I don't know what the problem is. I have to check it out. See, this one applies to V4 to 017. So this should apply to V4 to 017, but it's not. That one also should go from B4 to verse 17. Okay. All of this should be B4. I don't know why I did B2. B4. 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 All right. Okay. All right. So there were some issues. Took care of it. So now what we have is a heat map that highlights, where the problems of multicollinearity may occur. So here is one which is really very highly correlated. So RAD and tax. Actually, I shouldn't have included tax. Tax is not something that we rejected tax. So anything dark here would indicate the problem. So it looks like NOx has a high correlation with several variables. So that may be a candidate for you to take a look and see whether you want to keep it or throw them out.